Whoa, check this out. This John Deere Titan is not playing around. It's devouring trees like a hungry monster. Look at those blade spins. Bam! One swipe. And that 50-foot pine is already on the ground. No way! Did you see that? Alright, let's break down how this John Deere harvester works. First up, watch how it grabs the tree firmly with its hydraulic claws. Now, see those razor-sharp blades? They swing into action. One swipe, and just like that, the entire trunk is down in seconds. Next, the real magic happens. The machine feeds the tree into its shredder. Watch the branches get stripped away and turned into perfectly sized logs. No wasted motion here. Pure efficiency. From start to finish, this machine handles everything. Cutting, processing, and cleanup. All in under a minute. If you're amazed by heavy machinery, hit subscribe. We've got more cool breakdowns coming your way. Alright, let's shift gears for a second. This time, we're looking at something a little more hands-on. Check out this portable hand-cutting machine. It's perfect for smaller jobs. You've got a guy here tackling a tree that's just a bit too close to a fence. Watch how he lines up the blade. Steady grip and smooth cuts through the trunk in seconds. No heavy machinery needed. Here's the thing. If you've got trees or thick branches near your house, this tool's a lifesaver. Lightweight, easy to control. Just a simple solution for DIYers. If you're into practical tools like this, hit subscribe. We've got more smart hacks coming up next week. Alright, let's break this down. Cutting a massive tree by hand? It's all about strategy. Here we've got two proven methods to tackle thick trees safely. First up, the full rotation technique. Watch how this operator angles the hand-cutting machine around the trunk in one smooth motion. Steady pressure, clean rotations, and the whole tree drops in one go. Perfect for open spaces where you've got room to work. But what if the tree's near a structure? That's where sectional cutting shines. Instead of taking it down all at once, slice the trunk into smaller logs piece by piece. See here, cut at a downward angle, let the machine do the heavy lifting, and each section falls exactly where you... No surprises, no collateral damage. Quick tip, for trees thicker than 12 inches, go with the sectional method. More control, less risk. And if you're thinking of grabbing one of these machines, they're surprisingly affordable. Check the Amazon link below for the model we recommend. Look at this. Up in the canopy, about 20 to 30 feet above the ground, a skilled tree worker is balancing on a rope system, carefully trimming branches. This isn't just about cutting wood. It's precision work for carpenters, architects, and artisans who rely on quality timber. Notice how he anchors himself with ropes and harnesses, methodically removing branches without harming the tree's core. Every cut matters here. These branches will become furniture, decorative pieces, or even structural elements in buildings. It's a risky job, no doubt. Imagine working at that height, relying on technique and focus. But for him, it's just another day. You might wonder, why not use machines? Well, hand cutting preserves the wood's integrity, ensuring fewer splits and higher value. Plus, it's sustainable. Only select branches are removed, letting the tree thrive. Next time you see a polished wooden table or a sleek architectural design, remember the skill and effort that starts right here, up in the trees. Take a moment to watch this craftsman at work. His hands guiding the chainsaw with steady precision, slicing through wood like butter. Every cut is clean, measured, and intentional. This isn't just about chopping logs, it's about crafting raw material into something functional and beautiful. See how the saw glides effortlessly? That's years of experience at play. These smooth, uniform planks aren't just firewood. They'll become restaurant tables, sleek interior designs, or custom furniture pieces. You might think, why such care? Because even a minor error can waste valuable wood or weaken its structure. Notice how he angles the blade to follow the grain. This ensures strength and aesthetics for the final product. While machines can mass produce, hand cutting like this preserves the wood's natural character, making each piece unique. From forest to workshop, this skill bridges nature and craftsmanship. Next time you admire a polished wooden surface, remember the steady hands and sharp eyes that made it possible.